Meaning of incautious.
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 Incautious. The word incautious refers to a lack of caution or thoughtfulness, often resulting in negative consequences. When someone is incautious, they act without considering the potential risks and dangers of their actions, making decisions impulsively and recklessly. This can lead to various outcomes, such as physical harm, financial loss, damaged relationships, legal problems, and other negative consequences. Incautious behavior can be particularly problematic in high-stress or high-pressure situations, where quick decision-making is required. It's important to exercise caution and mindfulness when making decisions to prevent the negative outcomes of incaution.